Hello everyone, I am Saurabh Bangane and today we will be conducting comparison of 4 different cooking technologies based on their annual life cycle cost, which is also commonly known as ALCC. The problem is, for an average urban household, the monthly requirements of fuels are 17 liters of kerosene, 10 kg of LPG and 100 kilowatt hour of electricity for hot plate and 80 kilowatt hour for electric induction for cooking purposes. The cost of cooking stoves and their service lives are as follows. For kerosene stove, the stove cost around $10. For LPG stove, the cost is $50. For electric hot plates, the cost is around $20, and for electric induction cooktops, the cost is around $30. The life of kerosene stove is 5 years, and for LPG stove that is 10 years, and for electric hot plates the life is 10 years, and for induction cooktops the life is 10 years. Now let's move forward with the solution of the problem. We will be calculating your annualized life cycle cost for each technology and comparing their annual cost so that we can select one of the technologies which has minimum cost. The initial investment of kerosene is $10, and similarly for LPG stove, electric hot plates and electric induction, the costs are 50, 20 and 30 respectively, and monthly fuel requirements is given, that is 17 liter of kerosene is required monthly, and 1 cylinder of LPG gas is required. Similarly 100 kilowatt hour of electricity is required for electric hot plate, and for electrical induction cooktops 80 kilowatt hour of electricity is needed. The life of each technology is 5 years, 10 years, 10 years and 8 years respectively. Now let us assume the annual rate for this calculation be 10% for all technologies, and we must assume the unit price for calculating annual operating cost. So we are assuming here $0.9 for kerosene stoves and $15 for LPG stove, $0.1 for electric hot plates and $0.1 for electrical induction. Now for annual operating cost, we must calculate the total annual cost from the monthly cost. That is, for a month the consumption is 17 liter for kerosene, that must be multiplied by its unit price, and that is multiplied by 12 for 12 months. Now we can get a yearly cost for a kerosene. Similarly, we can copy this formula to all technologies by dragging the cell, and here we have two costs, that is annual operating cost and initial investment. We need annual cost for each technology. For this, annual operating cost is a yearly cost and this initial investment is a one-time investment, so we must divide this cost into annual cost. For this, we will use a formula PMT, and for use of this PMT, a rate must be defined. We already have defined rate 10%, select 10%, and this NPR refers to number of period. The number of period is 5 years for kerosene stove, and this PV refers to initial investment. The initial investment is given in cell C14. Since this is investment, so we must give a negative value, so we are writing minus in front of this cell, and other values are taken as 0. This only gives the annualized cost of initial investment. So now we must add this annual operating cost to get total annual cost. Now we can copy this formula to all other technologies by dragging this cell. Here we can see the annual cost for kerosene stove is $186.24. Similarly, for LPG stove the cost is $188.14. Similarly, for electric hot plates the annual cost is $123.25. The remaining one, electrical induction, the annual cost is $101.62, and that is also the minimum among these technologies. So we can conclude that by using electrical induction among these technologies, in this scenario, it is the most cheapest one. In this way, we can compare different technologies on the basis of their annual life cycle cost while choosing among them. Thank you.